middle, and no one here.
Hey! Oh! Start that up for me!
Oh, we're going to start her up. On the key. Warm it up a little bit. So, the hurricane we're talking about is, oh, there goes the top. See? Mexican guy. Sucked right in. Grab the hold of it. That was good. See that bar on the top there? When you're going in, you're supposed to grab that bar and take the shut off. That way it won't screw out the legs or something. You can grab that thing. This thing does 2 beats a second, so you got 3 seconds before you get screwed up. Oh, he's having a tough time with this one. Yeah, just gonna put out the branch and face it first. Oh man, what are you doing there? Use your brain, not your back, buddy. Use your brain, not your back. So this could be dangerous. This guy, I don't know what the hell he's doing. He's right in there. Oh my god, buddy. What the fuck? Dude. I don't know. Dude, this is a little crazy. I'd like to stay in from this, but my optimum guy here is just getting over to the house, so I gotta go.